In this video, I'll walk you through how to write an email campaign in Housecall Pro. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to improve your email marketing, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create campaigns that are easy to set up and effective in driving engagement. First off, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one tool designed to streamline your business operations. It's used by service professionals, and one of its powerful features is the email marketing tool, which lets you craft campaigns that reach your customers directly. Now, let's jump into how to write an email campaign using Housecall Pro step by step. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Marketing tab in your Housecall Pro dashboard. From there, click on Email Campaigns. This is where you'll be able to manage and create all your campaigns. Once you're in the Email Campaign section, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Click on Create Campaign, and you'll be prompted to choose a campaign type. You can pick from templates that are designed for things like appointment reminders, promotions, or seasonal offers. If you prefer, you can start from scratch and build a campaign tailored to your specific needs. After choosing your campaign type or creating one from scratch, it's time to set up your audience. You can choose who to send the email to by filtering through customer lists based on various criteria like service history, location, or customer tags. This is one of the biggest advantages of Housecall Pro, the ability to target specific segments of your customer base to send personalized messages. Now, let's talk about email content. Housecall Pro makes it easy to design emails by offering a drag-and-drop editor. You can add text, images, buttons, and even links directly into your email template. Don't forget to use personalization tokens, like customer names, to make your emails feel more personal and engaging. For example, you can easily add "Dear Customer Name" right into your email, so it feels more like a one-on-one message rather than a generic blast. Once your email is designed and you've set up the audience, it's time to schedule your campaign. Housecall Pro allows you to choose the best time to send your email. You can either send it immediately or schedule it for later. If you're running a special promotion or trying to reach customers before a busy season, timing your emails correctly can make a huge difference. After sending the campaign, you can track its performance in the Reports section. Housecall Pro provides detailed insights like open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics that help you understand how your emails are performing. This allows you to tweak and improve your email marketing strategy over time for even better results. And before we finish, here's an exciting bonus for you. You can try Housecall Pro for free through the first link below. We've got an exclusive extended free trial for you, which means you can explore the full power of this tool and start writing email campaigns without spending a dime. By now, you should be ready to write your first email campaign in Housecall Pro. It's all about choosing your audience, designing an email that resonates with them, and tracking the results to keep improving. Make sure to take advantage of that extended free trial and get started today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for the link to your free trial. You're just one step away from leveling up your business communications.